calculate the work that's gonna lift all the waters from the aquarium. Let's first get familiar with the geometry of this problem. We're gonna set up coordinates along the aquarium. So this is y equals 0 and this is y equals 1, because the depth of the aquarium is 1. And think of a thin slice of water. That's going to be our elements of our Riemann sum. If you want to lift this thin slice by x meter, say y meter, because this is our coordinates. The force we're going to do that is F equals mg equals to 2 rho delta y times g